हेलो फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हैं आप लोग। आई होप सभी लोग अच्छे होंगे। सो वन सेकेंड, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल निम्बल टेक्निकल। सो फ्रेंड्स, today session agenda is about Jenkins, and this is the second session about the Jenkins tool of the series Jenkin. As in previous session, I give a overview about Jenkins, what is the role of Jenkins tool, what are the features, why it is important in software industry, all about Jenkins overview and use and features, everything. Today, I am going to share with you Jenkins installation process. So today agenda is about Jenkins installation on cloud infrastructure, that is AWS EC2 instance. So before starting this session, friends, I would like to tell you what are the prerequisites to install Jenkins on AWS. So let me share with you. I have written on one notepad. I hope you will be able to see that there is one notepad where I have written how we can install Jenkins on cloud AWS EC2 instance server. So what are the prerequisites for this task? That means Jenkins installation. First one, if you are going to install on AWS, of course, you should have an account on AWS cloud. Secondly, one EC2 instance ready. That means the server is ready for the purpose of installation Jenkins. Third one is, okay, let me correct it. After third, it should be four. Yes. Third one is open JDK installed on server where Jenkins to be installed. That means, as you know, friends, for Jenkins installation on any infrastructure, it might be your physical machine or any virtual machine or any cloud service provider, that is AWS, GCP, Microsoft Azure. But one common thing for all the server that Java must be installed on that machine. That is dependency for the Jenkins. And fourth one is complete setup commands to be executed on the server. And this is the URL for that one, where I will pick all the commands to be executed on the server. And friends, one more thing, that by default Jenkins is accessible on port number 8080. So because Jenkins is a GUI based graphical user interface, once this tool will be successfully implemented, friends, of course, we will be able to access Jenkins on browser. So, guys, I hope you have an understanding, a basic understanding about it, how to install Jenkins on cloud server. And EC2 instance, I will take as a Ubuntu. So, let's start. And friends, again, I'm saying to you, if you learn something from my YouTube channel and somehow this YouTube channel is helping you to get learning on latest technologies, or you can say learning new skills, please hit to like my YouTube videos and subscribe to my YouTube channel to get any updates or videos. Thank you all. So start. So I have already logged in my AWS account. Here you can see this is AWS Cloud interface. So what are the prerequisite? First one is that is AWS account. So of course I have AWS account. Secondly, that is EC2 instance ready. So I will launch a EC2 instance. So I have taken as a Mumbai region. You can see here, and going on the instance, I click on it. You can see there is no any machine is running on my AWS cloud infrastructure. So I have to click on that launch instance. Okay, friends. So once I click on that launch instance, so there are some options to fill by the user who is going to launch an instance. So first one is that is name. So whatever you want to put the name here for a server, you can. So for me right now, as I'm going to launch server for a Jenkins, so I will write down here like Jenkins demo. Secondly, as I told you, I will take as an instance taking OS operating system Ubuntu. So you can able to see there are so many operating system instance image. That one is Amazon Linux. Secondly, the Mac operating system. Third one is Ubuntu. Fourth one is Windows, Red Hat. So I will select as Ubuntu. Later then, this is an Amazon machine image. So I will take it not 24. I will take it as a 22.04 LTS. What happens? Some of your current setting will be changed. RA mode if you proceed. The new AMI will legally some of your current setting. So security group rules will be overridden. One customer value will be deleted. Jenkins demo. One to server. Okay. Here this is instance types. So basically it is the configuration for the server like RAM and CPU. So you can see here that is written as one vCPU. That means one virtual CPU and 1 gigabit memory. That is RAM. I'm talking it is RAM. Okay. Random access memory. Now, so this is a key pair. So as you know, friends, for EC2 instance to get access outside, there is no process actually to log in as a password. Here it is a process to log in instance of key pair, public and private. Okay. I hope in previous session somehow I told you the concept about it. QPR that is very secure for to get access machine to get access server actually. So I will have to create a new QPR. So just click on here and I will take as a PPK direct for putty. So I will put here Jenkins demo. Create QPRs. Moving forward, you can able to see a network setting. So in network setting, I have to click on edit. The reason is behind that. If you see here very carefully, auto assign public IP disabled. But for access to the server, we have to make it enable. Otherwise, I will not able to access this server. So click on the edit and that is very simple enable. And if you see in board security group, there is a SSH port number 22 is defined, but I will add one more rule from here. Add security group rule. Sorry. Okay. I will take. I will set as a all traffic and source type. So anywhere. However, if you see here, it is pop up a message rules with source of 0000 allow all IP address to access your instance. We recommend setting security group rules to allow access from known IP address only. It means it is giving a message that it is not recommended to allow uh, outbound to incoming traffic from anyone to this instance means and don't it should not be enabled. But for me, because just I'm giving a overview, I'm just giving a practical purpose, not in a real life industry. So that's why I'm showing you. Okay. Otherwise, it is not recommended to allow all the traffic outside. Okay. Just in just in case I'm telling you in this case. Otherwise, for that somehow in real like industry, some application which is publicly outside of your cloud server, so next then there should be a security group setting something that the users all users can be accessed. But yes, it is recommended here in this case. You can see that it is recommended to give the only access from the known IP. Okay. Hope this point you are getting, my friends. Now you can see that 8 GB memory. That is a room and launch instance. So till now, what I have done till now, I have just launched EC2 instance and let's wait to be ready this server. Friends, today I'm sharing with you all about that EC2 instance like Jenkins process, Jenkins installation process on cloud. I will also show you on next upcoming videos Jenkins installation process on VM virtual machine. So going back on our instances interface, I can able to see that yes, the instance is in analyzing mode. Instance state is running, but status check. There are some checks in backend. It is showing here that is an ongoing initializing. Okay, so we have to wait it until it is 2 by 2 checks pass. Friends, once you like videos and once you like subscribe, so really it it give me a energy to make the videos and share with you. It is taking some time. Yes, now the server is successfully launched and status check is 2 by 2 checks passed. That means there is no any problem with this server till now. So I will take the public IP of this instance and open the putty, and paste the IP here. Because now I'm going to access this server outside of this cloud infrastructure. Cloud, you can say cloud environment, okay? And I will click on that SSH and take that key, what I downloaded here, just this one. So you can see here now I have to click on that accept. Yes. So friends, as I have taken that Ubuntu operating system, Ubuntu instance. So for Ubuntu machine access on AWS cloud, login as username we have to put as Ubuntu, but it will not ask to us password because on AWS cloud server, whenever you're going to launch an instance, so there is a concept of key pair, not the password. Either if you want to set the password, we can set here. Okay, so now clear. First of all, I will launch as a root user, so sudo su. I will update this machine. So there is a command apt update -y. So why I'm writing here -y in this command? The reason is that behind it that once the server will ask to us in place of yes. So if I already set in command here you can see -y, then we do not give to any we don't give to like every time yes yes yes. It will take as a yes if I already set to -y. Similarly, I will upgrade. So apt upgrade -y. Okay, clear? Either you type here clear or just control L. So it will clear the session. Okay, so now we have successfully launched EC2 stance and which is ready. What is the third step? So third step is OpenJDK install on server where Jenkins to install. So of course it means we have to install the OpenJDK. But right now, yeah, as of now, we are skipping this third number option. We are going to jump on fourth number option, fourth number step. So here is written as command set of complete set of commands to be executed on server and the URL for this one. So we have already opened it. I have already opened it actually. So these are the set of commands. Of course, you can also like you can also get these commands from browser once you paste this URL. Once you try to access this URL, you will be able to see that command set. Okay. So one by one, I will do. So what is the first command? It is written as this is the Debian package. Oh, okay. One thing uh, I missed. I will tell you. Why am this the concept is why I have selected Debian package? Because you know, friends, I have taken server as a Ubuntu. You know, Ubuntu is a Debian package of a Unix family. That's why I have selected as a genuine Debian package. Okay. Otherwise, once you access this package pkg.jenkins.io, there are options for Debian package for Red Hat. In for me, for my case, I have selected is Ubuntu, which is a Debian package. That's why I have selected a Debian package installation process. Okay, friends. So this is the Debian package repository of Jenkins to automate installation and upgrade. To use this repository, first add the key to your system. So basically, I am adding the key to my the server to to following this command. Okay. Secondly, what is the written here? Then add a Jenkins apt repository entry. Repository entry. Okay. So I have also done it on my server. What is the third step is? So now it is written here, update your local package index, then finally install Jenkins. Guys, one question can come in your mind. I have already updated. Yes, of course, I have already fired this command on my server. But because of this, I have fired all these commands. So again, I am doing update in my machine. If any latest package, if any package to be updated, so following this command, it will be done automatically. Okay, enter. So what I'm doing here using this command, so I'm going to install a OpenJDK 17. Now let me tell you why I skipped this step number third and directly jumped on the step number four. The reason is behind that because the step number three, which I'm going to cover in the step number four. Hope you are guide getting this. So I'm going to install OpenJDK package in step number four. Okay, copy this one and clear it and fire this command. What I told you in Linux command, here you can see, do you want to continue? Why oblique no? If I already set the hyphen y in this command, what I just fired on the server, so it will not ask never. But I didn't add this hyphen y as per the step of this commands, process of this given commands. So I have to given Y. Okay. Now OpenJDK, actually Java is installing on my server. You can see OpenJDK 17. Control L. And one thing what I just done, what I just click on that one, you can see there's some colorful. So sometime it will ask, okay, once you are going to like just IO downloaded Java, and then it will ask to us whatever you want to start any machine. So just by default, what will be able to get the option? You just click OK and then further proceed. Okay. So last command is now I have already successfully installed OpenJDK. So now I will install the Jenkins package. Friends, you can see here in each and every command there is one sudo. But in my case, because I have logged this server as a root user, so no need to put sudo in just front of every command. So if you want to see, I will just fire the command apt get install Jenkins. Oh, what I told you. Again, I have to set here y. Otherwise, if I will set here apt get install Jenkins hyphen y, then it will not ask never. But here in my case, I didn't set hyphen y after the Jenkins, so I have to give an again. See, like this, if you're able to see there's some colorful never kernel level or something like this. So you do not need to anything, just click OK. There are so many options because you can able to see daemon using outdated library, which services should be restarted. What I told you, it is ask server is asking to us which services do you want to restart. There like debug server, something like this. Okay, so just nothing need to do. Whatever it is already default setting, just click, just need to enter. Or you can able to see that no containers need to be restarted, no user session are running. I am telling you just to have understanding what is this option, why it is to asking to us. Okay. Now write down clear. Okay, friends. So now Jenkins had been also successfully installed on the server. Now let me start the Jenkins server. Till now, Jenkins had been successfully installed on the server, but it has not been like uh, started. Okay. So systemctl start Jenkins. I have started the Jenkins server, but how we can ensure it is like running on So systemctl status Jenkins, yes. Guys, you can able to see here that active running. Since which time? that is 14th May 2024. ओके फ्रेंड्स, पिक्चर भी बाकी है दोस्त। अभी हमने जेनकिन इंस्टॉल कर लिया है, जेनकिंस को स्टार्ट भी कर दिया है। देयर इज डिफरेंट फ्रेंड्स, इंस्टॉलेशन और स्टार्ट, देयर इज डिफरेंट थिंग। आप किसी चीज को जब डाउनलोड करते हो, जैसे मैंने बताया था मेरे साथ डॉकर के पहले एक दो सेशन में होगा, आप जैसे मोबाइल पे कोई एप्लीकेशन पहले डाउनलोड करते हो, जो उसकी सेटअप फाइल होती है उसकी डाउनलोड होती है, फिर वो इंस्टॉल होता है, फिर आप उस एप्लीकेशन को यूज करते हो, मतलब रेडी करते हो, रन करते हो अपने फोन पे। सिमिलरली यहाँ पे हमने पैकेज जेनकिंस को इंस्टॉल किया था, पर उसको हमने एक्टिवेट नहीं किया था, रेडी नहीं किया था, तो somehow Jenkins is now running. So guys, if you remember, I told you in starting my session, Jenkins session 2 part, where I told you that it is a GUI based, but you guys can think till now I have not shared with you how it can be accessible on web browser. That's called graphical user interface. Of course, friends, I will sharing with you all things what I told you in starting of my session. So now I will take the public IP of this server. So public IP of this server, this one, and as I told you, this Jenkins is can be accessible via 8080. Okay, so 8080. Yes, friends, you will be able to see Jenkins is accessible on the port number 8080 by default actually. Okay, but if you read this message from the Jenkins server, it is written here to ensure Jenkins is securely shut up. If it can be directly accessed taking the public IP of any server, so this will be not like securely. What is written here? To ensure Jenkins is securely set up by the administrator, a password has been written to the log. Not sure where to find it. If you are not sure where I can find it, and this file on the server, so this is the file path actually. Everything I will share with you friends. Copy this path and going in the server and fire the command cat. Why I'm put here cat? So on Linux, if you open in the file path, so there is a command cat and paste here and enter. So this is the password, my friend. Now I will copy this one. Only need, no need to copy. Just actually select in Linux, you know, friends. If you select anything, that it should be copied itself and paste here and just enter. So never. Yes. Now you can able to see customize Jenkins plugins, extend Jenkins with additional feature to support many different needs. So in my previous session, in my first session of Jenkins, if you remember, I told you the Jenkins nothing, but yes, Jenkins is everything once if it is configured with plugins. So let me show you also. Just click on that. It is showing here install suggested plugins. Select plugins to start. That means if you will click on this one, so it will by default select all the plugins, whatever that should be that are recommended to with Jenkins by the design team. But whenever you will select this one, so you have to select as a manually whatever you want to plugins install or configure with this Jenkins server. So I will click on this one. So it will take some time to plugins. See folders, timestamper, pipeline, Git, LDAP, workspace, cleanup, GitHub, SSH, email extension. In right side, you will be able to see that these are plugins which are now configuring automatically. Hope guys you are enjoying. because I tried at my best to give a very simple and easy way how we can install Jenkins on server. It will take some time. Just to allow me 1 minute only. I'm going to plug in my laptop charger. You all, you will be able to see that I copy the public IP of my server and that colon and put the port number 8080. It's friends. One more thing, whatever I would like to share with you that very interesting. In upcoming sessions, I will be sharing you Jenkins. Okay, let me complete first what I am going to share with you. So Jenkins can be installed in container as well. And trust me, friends, really it will not take the time as usual we do on the server base. Of course, there should be a server, but I will install the Jenkins in a container. It will not take more time. Okay, as usual, where it here it is taking. But yes, that is the server base where I am directly like Jenkins install on the server. That is very important. So here I can set here. You can see able to getting started. So create first admin user. So I will set here admin username, password, whatever you want to set here. So I will put here. Full name is normal. Seven continue. This is a Jenkins URL. This one. Okay, but do not get it confused. So for reference, you can once you will be do hands-on or practice, so you can copy this URL and save it your on whatever you want. So in future, if your server is alive, meanwhile, if your server is alive means your server is running, then each and every time whatever you want to access that instant Jenkins on the web browser, and so you can copy this URL and paste on your browser. I will be able to access that Jenkins server. Okay, seven finish. So friends, finally we have done it. It is showing a Jenkins ready. Your Jenkins setup is complete. Start using Jenkins. So as I told you, my friend, Jenkins is GUI based. So here it is a graphical user interface, new item, P4, build history. Welcome to Jenkins. This page is where your Jenkins jobs will be displayed. To get started, you can set up a distributed based on start building a software project. Here it is showing here my name, Nirmal Shankar, because I said the full name here. And this is the URL, and this is the Jenkins logo. So all of the things are here you are able to see. Further, you can start your new item, build history, and work and create a job. So, friends, hope you enjoyed this session. Of course, I have a trust you, my friends, you will like my videos and give energy by subscribing to my channel. Thank you, friends. Hope and keep learning. Bye bye and take care.